When you search for the best roof racks for your Subaru Forester, everything looks the same. Same flashy designs, same empty promises. But to find the right fit that actually works for your adventures, you've got to dig a little deeper. Product number 1, Taeyong Roof Rack Crossbars. Let's kick things off with the Taeyong 300 pounds roof rack crossbars. Priced at $79.99, this roof rack caught my eye due to its sturdy design and positive user reviews, boasting 4.6 stars from 395 reviews. If you want a reliable crossbar for your Subaru Forester, this is worth a serious look. So why does this rack stand out? First off, it's specifically designed for Subaru Foresters from 2014 to 2026, ensuring a perfect fit. The 300 pounds weight capacity means you can carry luggage, kayaks, or bikes without worry. The heavy-duty aluminum construction is not only durable but also lightweight, making it easy to handle. Plus, it features tie-down loops on each bracket, which is super handy for securing your gear. And if you're concerned about wind noise, the low-profile design really helps keep things quiet when you're on the road. Now, I have to be honest. Some users reported that installation was a bit tricky at first. Here's the thing though, once you get the hang of it, you'll find it straightforward, especially with the included video guide. It's not a deal breaker, just something to keep in mind. This is perfect for you if you're looking for a solid, affordable roof rack that gets the job done. Skip this one if you need something ultra premium or have a wilderness model, as it's not compatible. Alright, if the installation concerns worried you, the next product takes a completely different approach. Product number 2, Bright Lines Universal Crossbars. Next up is the Bright Lines 220 pounds wing-shaped universal crossbars, priced at $149.99. This option really shines with its universal fit for various Subaru Forester models. If you want versatility without compromising on performance, this one's definitely worth considering. What makes these crossbars great? They can hold up to 220 pounds, enough for most outdoor gear like bikes or ski racks. The aerodynamic design doesn't just look good, it also helps reduce wind noise, making your drives much quieter. Plus, their adjustable positions make installation a breeze, and you get integrated locks to prevent theft. But let's talk about the downside. A few users mentioned that the locking mechanism can be a bit finicky. While that's something to consider, it's not a deal breaker because it still provides security, and most people find it manageable with a little trial and error. This is perfect for you if you want a reliable, versatile rack for various adventures. Skip this one if you're solely focused on a budget option, as it's a bit pricier than some others on this list. That was a solid option. But the next one might actually be even better for those who prioritize security. Product number 3, HMMTY Rack Crossbars. Now let's check out the HMMTY Rack 300 pounds lockable roof rack crossbars, retailing at $75.99. With a strong rating of 4.5 stars from 393 reviews, this one offers excellent value. If you want a solid rack with great security features, this is definitely worth a look. Here's why this rack is a strong contender. Made from lightweight aluminum, it can hold up to 220 pounds, making it perfect for everything from luggage to kayaks. Plus, installation is straightforward with just a screwdriver, which is great for anyone who doesn't want to spend hours fussing with tools. However, some users noted that the included instructions could be clearer. I get it, nobody wants to wrestle with confusing manuals. But once you get through that initial setup, it's smooth sailing. So if you're reasonably handy, it shouldn't deter you. This is perfect for you if you prioritize security and ease of installation. Skip this one if you need a higher weight capacity or are looking for a more premium option. Now, if you're after something that's specifically designed for the wilderness model, the next product on our list is tailor-made for you. Product number 4, Fengyu Crossbars. Coming in next is the Fengyu 300 LB Roof Rack Crossbars, priced at $79.99. With a stellar rating of 4.7 stars from 467 reviews, this one really nails it for durability and design. If you want a reliable, sturdy roof rack, this is definitely worth checking out. What caught my attention? The 300 pounds weight capacity means you can confidently load it up with gear. Plus, the upgraded locking mechanism enhances security, which is vital if you're planning on leaving your items unattended. The low-profile design helps minimize wind noise too, which is a nice touch for long drives. Now, I did notice some users expressed concerns about the weight of the crossbars, saying they're a bit on the heavier side. Here's the thing though, that extra weight often translates to increased durability, so it's a trade-off I think is worth it if you want something that lasts. This is perfect for you if you need a robust and secure roof rack for your outdoor adventures. Skip this one if you're looking for something lightweight or ultra-easy to install. And if you want something that fits the wilderness model, the last product is designed just for that. Product number 5, HMMTY Rack Wilderness Crossbars. Finally, we have the HMMTY Rack 300 pounds lockable roof rack crossbars priced at $85.49. With a solid rating of 4.5 stars from 393 reviews, this one is tailored specifically for the Subaru Forester wilderness models. If you own a wilderness model and need a specialized rack, this is your best bet. What's great about this rack? It supports up to 300 pounds, which is perfect for heavy gear like canoes or luggage. The added locks provide extra security, ensuring your items stay put. The aerodynamic shape also helps reduce wind noise, which is great for a quieter ride. However, some users pointed out that the installation might require a little extra patience, especially if you're used to quick setups. But honestly, once it's on, you'll appreciate the solid feel and stability it offers. This is perfect for you if you have a wilderness model and need a reliable, secure rack. Skip this one if you're looking for a more universal rack that fits multiple vehicles. And for the price, you're getting solid value for a model-specific solution. To wrap it all up, we've looked at 5 great roof racks for your Subaru Forester: the affordable Taeyong, the versatile Bright Lines, the secure HMMTY rack, the durable Fengyu, and the wilderness-specific HMMTY rack. Each has its strengths, so think about what matters most to you. Happy adventuring!